The seventh and the last anti-pattern catalog, no time for security. Name of the anti-pattern, no time for security, also known as add security last, blame security for schedule slippage, deliver it now. A refracted solution names, security requirements or real requirements, cyber risk managements, unbalanced primal forces, management of confidentiality, integrity, and availability. Anecdotal evidence, wait until it's time to test the system and then worry about security. Actually, the background of this no time for security. Security is usually the final consideration in the development of a system. Sometimes security is left out altogether in the rush to get product out of the door. Let's discuss the anti-pattern solution for the anti-pattern catalog, no time for security. Developers of software projects often wait until the end of a development cycle to address the security. Near the date that the enterprise's releases process will test security vulnerabilities, managers and developers begin a madcap cover-up process to obscure inherently insecure softwares, user accounts, and configuration practices. When confronted, developers can claim ignorance, even they are not security experts, but they can claim for the changes. Causes, symptoms, and consequences of this one time no time security. The causes, symptoms, and consequences of this anti-pattern includes a security was never part of the requirement, a saving on development cost and time at the expense of security, project is behind schedule, shared administrator accounts, not trained or training the developers to be security aware. Let's see the known expectations. If the software is cut off the box, it is already near the end of the development cycle and can be configured for security just prior to development or deployment. However, you are taking it on faith that the original software developers counted for security and built in appropriate configuration settings. Refracted solutions and examples, as security risk and requirements should be analyzed early in the development cycle at the same time as functional requirements. This is not a difficult or expensive as it sounds. Business stakeholders should categorize the system such as confidentiality, high integrity medium, and availability medium. You can select the baseline security requirements rather mechanically using this profiles, and the NIST 853 control catalogs. This delivers a set of security requirements close to the desired set, uh, which we can tailor to our specific situation during developments. The security requirement should be given first status in the overall requirement test. The related solutions, we can select security and audit controls using the committee of a sponsoring organization and control objectives for information and related technology frameworks for commercial system and to satisfy the requirements. So with this, we are concluding the anti-pattern catalogs, the seven major types of anti-pattern catalogs. Uh, so far, we come across with the core anti-patterns of cybersecurity, explanations about an anti-patterns, design forces, and the benefits which yield, the primal forces, the functionality, confidentiality, integrity, and availability. And alternative anti-pattern templates were introduced, and we have seen a few templates also. Then finally we have been concluded with the anti-pattern catalogs, which has a measure of 7 anti-patterns catalogs were discussed here. So if you have any query, kindly you can post that to me. Thank you for watching this video. Thank you.